Okay, so that's the regular HDD, and then now this computer is already installed with the M.2 NVMe SSD. So this is much faster than the regular hard drive. Okay, so let's try how many minutes. Okay, try to turn on how many minutes really goes. Okay, ready, 1 2 3. Okay, ready, press the button. Let's see how fast is the how fast this one. Oh, that's so fast. Oh, it takes like how many, like, seconds, like 10 seconds. Let's try again. Okay, so maybe I just restart this. Okay, let's just restart. So this is again, this is M.2 NVMe SSD. Okay, let's see one more time. Restart. How fast the welcome of the Windows. Okay, so the first one is just regular hard disk. Okay, then let's see. Let's turn on. Okay, laser. And then when it reads the OS, and then and then it pops. Oh, that's so fast. Just to make sure that your computer has M.2, or there's 4 types of SSD. So the one I have here is M.2 NVMe. Okay, so some of the most common of SSD is the 2.5 SSD. Okay, so better I use this NVMe. So this is the one. That's the one I have. The M.2 NVMe. Okay. Alright. I use this one forever now. Okay, it's just on. So before you buy M.2 NVMe, make sure your computer or laptop is compatible with it. Okay, so in this case, my laptop has M.2 slot, which is over here. And then this is the SSD, 2.5 SSD, and then this space is M.2. So this is the how it looks. Okay, this is the M.2 NVMe. So I bought this in Amazon, worth around $67, 500 GB. Okay, so I think this is worth it. Okay, yeah, this is NVMe SK Hynix 512 GB. Yeah, and then you just insert this. This one is new, so I just bought in Amazon, and insert like this. Yeah. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, and then here's the lock. So the before when I buy this laptop, there's no screw here, so I steal some of the screw here. So this screw of this laptop, I just steal one of those. Okay, so and then I cut it. So this is the one. Okay, this is the one I steal from the other, and then I cut the edge. Okay, to make it more fit here on the screw area. Okay, and then just a screw here to make it to lock this one. There you go, and that's it. It's ready to go. Okay, and just lock. Cool. This one. And just lock this. There you go. Just like that. Just put there. By the way, you can migrate the SD card. You can migrate the OS into M.2, so no need to format again, or no need to install new Windows. Just migrate, but make sure that your Windows from the old SD is compatible with the NVM. So in my case, my SSD is MBR, which is not really compatible, and I use a Windows 7 on my old SSD, so it's not compatible with the NVMe. Okay, so my NVMe is only like UEFI format. I don't know I'm not sure what's that. It's like it accept only the GPT UEFI, so I just format before. Okay, and then now let's see how fast. Okay, there you go. And then let's try again. Let's try to turn on again. Okay, 3 2 1. Okay, let's see how fast this computer is. Okay, that's the welcome of Acer, and then it's automatically read the OS. Okay, there you go. Oh, it's like only 10 seconds. Oh, that's too fast. Like, okay, for now on I use this M.2 and NVMe Hynix. Yeah, that's really fast for the Windows. Okay, two thumbs up. Two thumbs up. Okay, see you next time.